So here we are again. This is the place where we used to carry firewood since we were kids. And here we are again. It's been 10 years that I have not been in this place, so I'm coming back again with my friend, the photographer. Let's check. When was the last time you've been here?
Yeah, it's been a long time, but I still remember.
I have not been here since 2010. It's been 10 years.
It's been a long time for you, right?
Yeah. Here we are again. This place is unknown to us. I've never been here before. Have you been here before?
No.
This is a very dangerous place to cross. Yeah, he's been bitten by some insect. Come on. Okay, Koigi, you go first. This place is very dangerous. One bad move and it's gone. Okay, it's my turn to cross.
Yeah, it's been very difficult for us to walk, and also we've been biting by insects. Oh,
One bad move and I'll be dead, man. Let's move.
oh my shit, man! Oh no, we're going to take back here. The water is very cold. Woo! Oh yeah, yeah.
What do you say?
The weather is not good, man.
Water is very cold. Okay, then I'll have to take bath too, man.
Yeah, and the water is very cold and such bad weather. And then here, what we can ignore it. The people in this place call us to take part here. Oh, it's very cold. Maybe you should try too.
Yeah, I'll try.
Come on.
It's my turn to swim.
Woo! Three.
Oh,
How is
damn
it?
cold.
Yeah,
The water is damn cold, man.
I know, man. What is it? How do you feel?
The water is very deep too.
Yeah, man. But it's great, right?
If you don't know how to swim, then this is not the right place for you to come. Don't
Yeah.
come here. If you don't want to die, then this is not the place for you to come. If you know how to swim, you will die of cold.
Yeah, man. Because the weather is not good.
The weather is
Woo!
very cold too.
Yeah, man. But still, we did it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me jump to the water, okay?
Okay, jump.
Very nice, right?
Oh,
Yeah! Come on, join with us!
do you want to swim again? Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's do it again, man.
we'll have to enjoy a little bit. Okay. Awesome, right?
We love this. This day is awesome. Yeah. This is one of the best pool
Bad weather.
I've ever jumped into.
Bad weather.
The weather is very bad, but the pool is awesome.
Yeah.
If you know how to swim, then please do come. The longer we move on our journey, the more beautiful the place, the river seems to be. So let's carry on and explore something much more beautiful than this.
Yeah. Let's move on.
Let's move. That guy risked his life for a good picture. Oh no, he threw his shoes into the water and I don't know. He will have to wear it. He risked his own life for a good picture, that's why a good photographer should be. Credit goes to him. Don't mind the weather is very bad out here. The mist is around us everywhere, but that guy don't mind to take a good picture. We have never been to this place before, so you can see there is a lot of mist over here. And we are not able to find our way back home. This place is like the middle of nowhere. You can see over there. What if we get lost?
Never mind, man. Let's leave here.
Exactly know where are we. We'll try to find a way.
We'll follow the sun or what?
We're a little bit lost at the moment. So it's getting dark already.
Yeah, man, we need that Jack Sparrow compass. We need that. Yeah, man. Oh. So
let's get straight into the direction. Oh.
Okay, let's move. Let's move on where, man? Cross this.
Are you sure this is the way?
I don't know, man. Let's just move on.
We'll keep going west, east.
Whatever.
I think
or
we'll,
else we will be lost.
yeah, man. I think we'll reach home by tonight.
Getting dark already.
Yeah.
I think that was the way. Alright.
Yeah. Who knows? This is one big gift. Yeah. Right? Bro. Woo! Yeah, just like that. Okay, let's move, let's move. No time to waste. Okay. Come on, man. I'm almost on top.